In week 2 of Sprout 3 and Sapling CTPs, we create a project outcome using the brainstorming students completed in the previous week. The project will be different each time, so make sure you review it before class and think of a way to explain it using your own examples and words. So in this one, as you can see, our project is to complete your own storyboard. So what I would do is maybe go through a couple of these boxes as an example and then give them some time to work on it on their own. So I would explain to them, all right class, let's read our instruction together. And then after we do, I would explain to them, okay, so the storyboard is a combination of writing your story and adding matching pictures. So you're going to write your stories here, and then you're going to draw the matching picture here. Let's do one together, and then you can work on it on your own. So make sure you're looking at your CTP book from last week. Remember, we brainstormed this all last week. Let's talk about who first, okay? So who is in this story? Very good, your English teacher. So your English teacher, who is your English teacher? Very good, so my English teacher is, let's write this down guys. My English teacher is who? Write it down here. Okay, next, let's talk about where. Where's your English teacher from? Very good. So we have some good answers here. I want you to write that in a full sentence. How can we write that in a full sentence? Perhaps I can cold call somebody and then they will say, okay, so she is from, or he is from where? Very good job. Okay, so when does this story take place? Okay. And they might say yesterday, last week, 2 weeks ago. So I can tell them that, all right, so next sentence, let's write down when. And when does she come to your neighborhood? So write down when, and then write down she came to my neighborhood. Okay. So we can say last week she came to my neighborhood. Yesterday she came to my neighborhood, etc. Okay. So once you have completed your storyboard box, I want you to draw the matching picture on the left-hand side. So let's do that one together, just as an example. So my English teacher is right here. This is your English teacher. So draw your English teacher. And where is she from? She's from Canada. She's from America. Okay, so draw America here. That's what I'm going to do. And so let's see. We also need you, right? You're in this story. So let's draw you, and you live in Korea. So let's draw Korea. All right. Okay, so my English teacher, she is from America, and last week she came to my neighborhood. So I want you to draw the matching picture on the left-hand side here. And now, after I gave the students the examples, and I did the first 2 boxes together, I would instruct them to finish the rest of them on their own. Since they have brainstormed this already last week, they shouldn't take more than maybe 15 minutes to complete this and have an outcome. Make sure while they're working on this, make sure you're walking around, providing them with guidance, correcting their spelling mistakes, and just encouraging them with praises. Once they are finished, they're to practice and present their final outcome. Remember, this is not a scripted performance as we did before. This is a true exercise in public speaking where they must really try to present their ideas. You need to instruct your students to not just read this out loud, but try to engage the audience at the same time. So you want to record them one by one, and students will also evaluate one another. You can also provide your feedback after that, and also praise them on their efforts as you watch the movies you made together. Once you upload the movies, you are now finished with Sprout 3 and Sapling CTP for the unit.